Hello guys, we're going to start, it's gentle, simple Vinyasa flow, that will help you invigorate your body. We're going to start on the mat with child's pose. Child's pose. Come to your mat, open your thighs. Your knees are together, you're lengthening your arms in front of you and you're coming to take child's pose. While you're in child's pose, take 5 to 10 deep breaths. Relax yourself and just breathe. Inhale and exhale. Make your intention known for practice and extend and spread your fingers on the mat. As you inhale, relax your fingertips, and as you exhale, try to deepen your hips all the way down to the mat. Stay for another 5 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale as slowly as you can. Make your intentions known for practice as we're going to start right now, all the way and come into a simple tabletop. Inhale, close your legs in together. Inhale, lift up your tailbone. Inhale, look up. Hold your core. And exhale, round your back and look towards your belly button as you come into this simple cat-cow position. Inhale, round your back, head up. Exhale, look towards your belly button. We're going to do 2 more. Inhale, head up. And exhale, round your back and look towards your belly button. 1 more, inhale, head up. Hold it now for a few more seconds. And exhale, round your back and look towards your belly button. Good job. Plant your toes on the mat and immediately come to downward facing dog. Adjust yourself as needed. Walk your feet forward and bring it to that position where you are very comfortable and neutral. So that you want to extend your arms, you want to make your hip, your buttocks to face the ceiling, and you want to engage your core and stretch your shoulders. You can do a little bit of movement like an active downward facing dog. Stretch, move, engage, and just lengthen all the way out as much as you can. Good job. 1 more. Nice. Take 3 breaths here. After your 3rd breath, you're going to walk your feet to your arms and come into halfway lift. Inhaling. Just come to halfway lift. Inhale. Foot forward. Exhale. Bring your arms all the way to ragdoll. So beginners, you can either decide to lengthen or you can bend your legs in ragdoll. Inhale and exhale. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 1 more breath in. And now guys, we're going to sweep all the way up to mountain pose. Inhale, lengthen as much as you can. Lengthen as much as you can. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more breath in. And exhale. You can interlink your fingers together while they're facing the ceiling and come side to side. Let's do a little bit warm up around our obliques. Back to center, go over to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. 1 more set. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. 1 more. Inhale, center. Foot forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High plank. Press down to low plank. Upward facing dog, inhale. And downward facing dog, exhale, guys. Good job. We just had our first vinyasa and we're going to do that 1 more time until we go to sun salutation B. Walk your hands or your feet to your arm, walk your arms or your feet forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Foot forward, exhale, and sweep all the way up to mountain pose. Foot forward again, inhale. Halfway lift as you exhale. High plank, inhale. Low plank, exhale. Upward facing dog, inhale. And downward facing dog, exhale. Well done. We have one. Walk your feet or your arms all the way forward. Halfway lift. Foot forward. Mountain pose as you exhale. Well done. The last one. Let's finish up. Foot forward. Inhale. Halfway lift. And high plank. Press down to low plank. Upward facing dog. Inhale. And downward facing dog, exhale. Good job. Let's lengthen out here. Soften up your joints, your arms. You did good. So beginners, you can either stay here in downward facing dog while catching your breath, or you can come straight to dolphin. Engage in dolphin. Dolphin gives you a break around your arms, but still engages your core and your shoulders. So you can either do dolphin or you can do downward facing dog. Advanced and intermediate, stay here in downward facing dog. Catch your breath. 2 more breaths there as we get ready to go to sun salutation B. You're doing good. You're doing amazing. Now guys, we're going to walk our arms to our feet. Walk your arms to your feet. Thighs together, soles together. Adjust yourself as needed, engaging your glutes and engaging your core. Lift up in chair pose. Inhale and exhale. Let's take 3 breaths here in chair pose. One more breath. All the way back down to high plank, to low plank, upward facing dog in, downward facing dog, exhale. Well done. Starting up, we're going to take our right foot forward. Your legs and your arms, your right knee and your right heel and your left toes are not in the same. They look like it's slanted. Engage your core, find your balance and come straight to warrior one. Inhaling. Inhale and exhale. Let's take 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. With every breath, try to go deeper into the groin. 1 more breath in. Engage your glutes, engage your core. And the last breath. All the way back to high plank. Low plank, exhale. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Left foot forward, inhale. Warrior one. But remember, adjust your leg so that it's not in a straight line, in a point where you are both comfortable. Warrior one, inhale. Take another 3 breaths. Come on. Engage the glutes, engage the core. Stay straight and solid. 1 more breath. Return back to high plank, inhale. Low plank, exhale. Upward facing dog, inhale. And downward facing dog, exhale. Well done. Well done, everybody. Come on, you got this. Adjust yourself as needed. Adjust yourself as needed. Take 2 breaths. Now guys, we're going to walk our hands to our feet again for sun salutation B2. Thighs together, soles together, chair pose. This time around, we're going to go a little bit lower to the mat and just find our balance. Good job. 3 breaths. Come on, sit. Feel the burn and breathe. 4, 3, 2, and all the way back to high plank. Press down to low plank. Upward facing dog in and downward facing dog, exhale. Take your right foot forward, inhale. Turn your left leg to face over to the side. So let's say if your right leg is facing 12 o'clock, your left leg is facing 9 o'clock. Come up, engage your core and go straight to warrior two. Like a warrior, you are balanced, you're ready, and you're focused. Come on, into the groin, sit. Take 3 breaths. Slow down. 1 more. Return back to high plank. Press down to low plank. Upward facing dog in. And downward facing dog, exhale. Left foot forward, pick up speed. Come on. Warrior 2, rise up. 3 breath in. Come on. 1 more breath. And the last one. All the way back to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. You did that. So guys, we're going to come straight now, all the way to just lie flat on the mat. Lie flat on the mat, lengthen as much as you can, and we're going to take one more pause, and then we're going to relax and stretch over to the side. So guys, let's go. All the way, lift up in locus pose. Inhale, hold it, and exhale, drop. 2 more breaths in, exhale. 1 more breath in, exhale. Good job, you did that. So guys, we're going to come now to take in some gentle stretches from the back. We're going to look towards your right shoulder, stretch the shoulders, engage. Over to the other side and engage. 1 more breath in and exhale. Beginners, we're going to do half floor bow and half locus pose. Advanced, we're going to do full floor bow and full locus. So beginners, you do this, you grab your right side and extend everything on the left for 3 seconds. Switch over to the other side, 3 seconds. Advance, you're grabbing both. Open up the shoulders and take 3 breaths. Good job. Well done, everybody. Now we're going to come lying down, facing the ceiling, and just catching our breath. Well done. To finish up now, we're going to take our arms wide. Your left leg is still planted on the mat. Your right leg is lengthened out. We're going to take the left leg over to the right hand side and come into supine twist. So you can either support it like this, or you keep it both here. Beginners, you can stay like this. So this is going to help you stretch your lower back and just decompress the lower back and relieve you of any back pain you might have gotten while practicing. Take a deep breath. 1 more. And now guys, come back. So the left leg is planted on the mat. The left leg is lengthened out. The right leg is planted on the mat. Take it up over to the other side and come into supine twist. Again, you can look towards the opposite side. So if your knee is facing the right side, you're looking towards the left. Like my right knee is facing the left now, and I'm looking towards my right. Take 5 breaths. Whew. Well done. Well done, guys. And now, guys, we're going to come back here and just relax into butterfly. Soles of your feet together. So this is going to be our only hip opening for today. So we're going to open up those hips. Left hand on your belly button, right hand on your chest. We're going to stay here for 30 seconds, just breathing in, opening up the hips and just relaxing into the stretch. Take 3 breaths. Stay here for 30 seconds. Inhaling and exhaling. Now guys, after that, after staying for 20 to 30 seconds, we're going to close up our legs gently and come straight to Savasana. Lower your shoulders, lower your back, sink your whole body into the mat, lower your shoulders, relax your core, relax your thighs, and try and sink your whole body down, taking those gentle, deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Just relax. You deserve to take this moment for yourself after such a good job. Well done in your Vinyasa, gentle, close-up Vinyasa flow. You did that. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Well done, guys. You did so good. Well done, guys. Remember, you can stay in Vinyasa for as long as you want, as long as you've gotten, you feel better and you're well relaxed in it. So guys, good job. Thank you for showing up on the mat today. Namaste.